What's up, guys, and welcome to today's food challenge. So I had this idea for a while that I've wanted to do. I wanted to make the ultimate TV dinner challenge. So I'm gonna go grocery shopping and go get some frozen dinners, and yeah, and I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back home and there's a lot of microwaving to do, so let's get started.
The next day.
Okay, Google. 4,539 grams is how many pounds?
4,539 grams is equal to 10.007 pounds.
Alright guys, I'm about to begin the challenge, but first I want to inform you something that happened with Weston, because you guys are going to see him in the video wearing a cone. So I took Weston for his annual vet shots and there was a bump on him, so I had it tested and it was a malignant tumor. Now, we had it removed and that's why he has a cone. He looks good so far. I'm just waiting on a few results to make sure he's in the clear. But yeah, it was very scary for the both of us. But he's such a good boy and he handled it like a champ. So that's why Weston has a cone. Alright guys, this is a lot of food. It came out to 10 pounds. I know there's a lot of containers, but this is still a lot of food. I didn't even finish microwaving everything just because I got tired of microwaving stuff and I am starving. So let's get this challenge started. I need a spoon and fork. And yeah, let's give it a 3, 2, I don't have a timer. 1, you guys can time it yourself if you want. Oh, no, you can't really. But yeah, let's go. Let's start off with what I know I'm eating. So this is the Banquet Homestyle Patty Meal. Oh yeah. Mr. Conehead. Hold on. Oh. Sit. 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 Good boy. Think Weston gets a pass on what I get to give him this time. Alright. One done. Here. Wait. Alright. It's enough. Now, I know I didn't have all the choices. What frozen TV dinners have you had in the past? What am I missing that you guys have eaten that you would have liked to see? Leave a comment. This is the P.F. Chang's. Which one is this? Korean inspired pork. Ooh, that noodle pull. Gotta mix it up. Move the Weston can. Alright, let's get on with this noodles. A little bit of kick to it. Nice touch. A little too much sugary flavor for me for this. Just too spicy for you. That was definitely good. Let's do this. Just because it has little meatballs. This is the Smart Ones 3 cheese ziti with meatballs. Yeah. Oh, we're back. Look at you. Here. I said you're shoving me with the cone. And yes, I bought Weston a proper cone so he won't be wearing that one of those pillow ones. At least let him cover in comfort. Oh, so far this is my least favorite. Done. Alright. I want to try one of these burgers. They look like they're gonna get tough if I don't eat them now. That's pretty good. Definitely needs like ketchup or something though. Excuse me, sir. Or mayonnaise. Yeah. Ooh. I like that. Oh, you know what? Damn. Oh, this has gravy. Ooh. Dipped it in the mashed potatoes and gravy. Let's do... what was this one? Lasagna with meat sauce. We're back. There. Your cone is all a mess now. Okay. It's alright. This is now my least favorite. Let's do the broccoli and cheddar. Listen, you definitely don't want this. Here. Have a piece of broccoli. Sit. There you go. I'll let him try the potatoes with cheddar. Tastes like a potato with cheddar and broccoli. It's alright. It needs meat. That was alright. Alright. Let's do the P.F. Chang's chicken lo mein. Oh, I got sweat in my eye. Ooh, that hurts. Ooh. Oh. Definitely gonna mix this up. Pardon me. What? No, move back, yo. This doesn't have any kick to it, unlike the other one. I don't know if this is the veal or eggplant parmesan. Or chicken parm, not veal. I'm sorry. Let's find out. This is the eggplant. Aha. That's pretty good. That's really good. This might be my favorite right now. Let's do this. Cheese manicotti. Whew. Starting to get full. It's not bad. I need meat. The only thing that I really liked without meat was the eggplant. Weston. Uh-oh. That fell. Oops. Done. Alright, got a few more things to go. Let's do the beef and peppers with rice. There. Move back. Move. Move back. Let's move back. Move back. Alright. Pardon me. I don't know. Peppers taste a little weird. Alright, let's do the... What is that? The Devour. Angus beef and bacon with potatoes and cheese. Let's do this. Very smoky flavor. You know, have you ever had bacon bits? That baked bacon? That's what this tastes like with the bacon. Alright, then let Weston eat that a little bit. Sit. Sit. There. You work on that. There. Get it, Conehead. Nah, I need a drink. Woo. Oh my gosh. That Diet Sunkiss is so good. That is my favorite orange soda drink. Tastes exactly like regular Sunkiss. Alright. Let's do the chicken parm next. Ooh. That's a lot of chicken they put. The eggplant parm one was way better than the chicken parm. Wow. I said veggies were better than meat. I'm gonna let Weston have this. Because you know what? He's been through a lot. There you go, buddy. Alright, let us do this. This is the Salisbury steak. Let's eat this. It's got mashed potatoes, corn. Let's put that corn into the mash. I dropped the corn into the apple dessert in the little corner. Damn it. Pardon me. I like this. I think I like the patty meal better. There's something about fake Salisbury steak that I really enjoy. You know what? I'm gonna save this for last, just in case I don't like the others. Alright, let's do this. Spaghetti and meatballs. Time is almost up on the camera at 30 minutes, so let's try to finish this ASAP. Oh, pardon you, Weston. About 24 minutes in. Alright, the hungry man. Oh jeez. It's heavy. What's got? Chicken and rib pork, or made to look like a rib, and barbecue sauce. Oh. Kind of tastes like the McRib from McDonald's. Alright, let's try the pork now. Oh, that's weird. That fake piece of chicken was way better. Yeah. Alright, saving the brownie. Let's do the fettuccine Alfredo. Getting full, Weston. I like this. It's nice. Got like a minute 30 before the camera stops recording. Okay, 1 minute. I got the apple dessert. That's done. Last but not least, the brownie. Oh, there. There's more. Oh. Done. That was more like a cake than a brownie. Oh, I'm stuffed. That was a lot of TV dinner. I hope, well, that camera stopped. I'm stuffed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. And we got Weston here. Love you, buddy. Deuces! That guy. He's totally peeing there. Lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely. I have nobody for my